Jeffrey?
Fuck me. What do you
I
fucking
prepared these lovely, sausage links for you, and I was going
Okay, stop mocking me, you little smart ass. You want to get hit? Okay.
Yes, sir. I just wanted to get your opinion on.
Get out! Okay. So, who are you going to prepare these for?
You, Miss Ramsay.
Right. Okay. Right. Okay. Okay. So you want me to criticise these? Okay.
Tell me your opinion on.
Right. Okay. 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 Right. Okay. Right. Okay.
Start clearing them off there, dude.
Okay. Okay. Don't tell me what the fuck to do, okay? Big boy? Okay? So, you want me to tell you how they talk? Hello? Speak when you're fucking spoken to.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Actually, really good job. Nice and fab. Not raw, not overcooked.
Yes, sir.
Very good fucking job. Okay? Perfect. Okay. Actually, fist bump on that one. Great job. Okay.
Sir, why are you clearing
Do me a favour. Grab me the ketchup out of there.
Okay.
Okay.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Those are wet goddamn sausages! You fucking ass. Oh! Oh! Fuck off! Oh, no, hell no. Fuck off. You fuck off. You fucking donkey. Hi. Hey boy. It's raw. Fuck off. You asshole. Oh. Oh, fucking tongue. Oh. Okay, I've got to get this fucking blanket over me. Oh, fuck off. You little fucking bitch. Oh, soup is cold. Get out. Ramsay. Roll. Fuck off.
Hey, Gordon! Don't feel good, does it?
Fuck off.
Don't feel good, does it? I'll zap his head, I swear to God.
Fuck off.
Got him.
Okay. If you like that video, okay. Make sure you click the like button. Okay, fuck off. Okay. And if you want to see more, then hit subscribe. And if not, then
Hey, Gordon!